Every single day, people like you and me are wasting money on meta ads. Not because ads don't work, but because we don't know what's actually going wrong. What if AI could analyze your ads, find the exact problem, and even help optimize the campaigns for better results? And the craziest part? This setup takes less than 3 minutes. So let's do it. First, open Claude. Go to the customization section and click on connectors. By the way, if you want to understand how Claude works, what connectors are, what MCPs are, and how all this AI automation actually works, we're making a full dedicated video on the channel. So make sure to subscribe, because that video is going to blow your mind. Now click on Add Custom Connector. Give any name you want. Something like Meta Ads AI. Now in the URL section, paste the Meta Ads MCP link. We already kept the exact link in the description below, so you can directly copy and paste it. Once you add it, click Connect. Now Meta will ask for permission. Grant complete access, verify your account, and done. Just like that, Claude can now understand your Meta Ads data. Now open a new chat in Claude and ask anything. Like, why are my ads not converting? Which campaign is wasting money? Which audience is performing best? Why is my CPC increasing? In our case, we spent around Rs 500 last week and weren't getting proper results. So we asked Claude to analyze the campaigns. And honestly, the response was scary accurate. It told us exactly what went wrong. Wrong targeting, weak creatives, bad optimization, poor budget distribution, and not just analysis. We even asked Claude to improve the campaigns. And it literally suggested better targeting, better structure, and ways to improve conversions based on our actual ad data. This is literally like having a high-end marketing agency sitting beside you 24/7. And trust me, this is just the beginning of AI. If you liked the video, and if you want to learn AI properly, not just one tool, but 25 plus AI skills covering 100 plus tools, completely practical within 30 days. We already kept the link in the description. So if you're serious about learning AI, go check it out.